Hey beautiful people, it's Tiara and I'm back with another video. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Why haven't you subscribed yet? Go subscribe. But anyways, I'm going to link some of my older videos down below so you can go check them out. But today's video is a hair review video by Dola hair. So I bought from Dola hair before, and I'll link that video down below. It was when I had a bob, and I'll show you guys how I customized it and everything, but that is another video, so I will link that down below. But this video is another hair review. So as you can see, they have a new box. I don't know if you could tell, but it's very durable. And last time I think the box was a little bit crumpled up and stuff because of the material, but this box you could see it's intact, you feel me? Their packaging is different, and I haven't looked inside yet. I was waiting to make this video before I even looked inside, but let's see. So on the back, they show you how to maintain the wig. It has, I don't know if you can see that, but it has different steps. It's telling you to wash the hair, how to wash the hair, and to comb it and brush it and all that good stuff. So this is at the bottom, well, at the back. So that's good. So let's open it up. So this is how their packaging is. So, they gave me this little bag where I could put my hair supplies or makeup or something. This is so cute. It says Dola hair on it. Inside there's an edge brush that also has a tail comb bottom to it. They got 2 wig caps. I don't know what this is. It says milk on it. Child. Anyways.
Child. Anyway, so
they also have this little brush. Oh, this is cute. It's travel size. Oh, and it has a little mirror attached to it. This is so cute. I love this. I'm gonna keep this in my purse. But yeah, so this all came in there, and then they also give you a little thank you card. They sent me this 6x6 closure wig, but it's HD Swiss lace. I will link it down below, and it's 18 inches. So it comes in this little baggie, and I'm just gonna take it down. Ooh, it's soft. It's so soft. I love it. It's straight, but I don't know why it's a little wavy. But I'm gonna go flat iron this. But let me show you guys the lace first. So this is it against my skin. It is not, I have not bleached it or dyed it or anything. This is just how it looks, the Swiss lace. As you could see, it seems to be already pre-plucked. The lace is so pretty. I'll show you guys a better look once it's on my head, but I really love how this looks so far. It comes with a little band, like a strap, a little band to secure the wig, you feel me? And there's like little clips at the back. So this is very convenient. Like, I think I'm gonna actually make this a glueless video because I don't really think I need to glue this down. But we'll figure this out in a sec. So I'm going to flat iron this and customize it, and I'll be right back. If you want to see how I customize my wigs, just let me know in the comments down below. But I actually do have videos of how I customize my wigs, so I will link those down below and then you can go check that out. But if you got this far, don't forget to subscribe. Like, if you got this far in the video and you're not subscribed yet, then you know, maybe you should go do that. Anywho, so I'm gonna go flat iron this wig. Look, a stiff wear. I'm gonna go flat iron this wig and then I'll be right back. Install. I am absolutely in love. Did I say in love? I'm in love with this hair. I'm in love with this Swiss lace. I'm just filled with joy. My heart is content. Really, my heart is filled. Like, this hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, I know y'all see how silky this is. Like, come on now. Like, come on now. Come on now. I love this hair. And once again, this is 18 inches. It's straight and it's a 6x6 closure wig. As you can see, the sides aren't on, but but do y'all see that though? Could y'all show me where the lace is? Because I can't find it. I can't find it. Where is it? I'm like so I love it. Look at the length, and it's definitely true to length. Like, I could not complain. Like, Dola hair, you really did the thing with this one, because I love it. I love it. And I'm gonna link it down below. and make sure you buy this wig because it is so poppin'. Yep, but that's the end of this review.